Hello everybody, my name is Mark Hanover and I am a realtor and PSA with Keller Williams Peace River Partners in Port Charlotte and Punta Gorda. And today we are at my listing 830 Conreid. I just wanted to give you a quick walkthrough of this house so you can see how great it really is. Currently listed at $150,000. This house is 1,831 square feet with 4 bedrooms and 2 baths. That is a sizable house for this particular neighborhood down by Charlotte Harbor. And it is very well located. It's about a 10 or 15 minute walk, depending on how quick you are, to Charlotte Harbor itself. Now we're seeing the first 2 of the bedrooms just off the main living area, as well as the guest restroom. Moving our way further back, you see the slider going to the back porch, and off to the left we have the 3rd bedroom. One question I have been getting is, can this house pass VA or FHA? I can tell you it can pass both. Your kitchen area here, obviously. And then what would be considered the master restroom, although it's not attached, is actually 2 different rooms. It is 1 room for shower as well as sink, and 1 room for the facilities, as well as a sink, obviously, as well. Which is actually sort of a cool little feature. Hello. We have a hallway closet, and then we have the master bedroom. I'll go ahead and take you guys out to the back. This backyard has ample space. As you can see, it has a really nice little storage shed. It also has a mango tree as well as an avocado tree, and it also has a curry plant, believe it or not. So guys, if you'd like to set up a private showing here, again, my name is Mark Hanover, PSA and realtor with Keller Williams Peace River Partners. My phone number is 941-202-1995, and my email is markhanover@kw.com. So thank you, everybody. I hope to hear from you soon. Have a great day.